In the late gameplay of Sea of Conquest, things start to get increasingly complicated. Some upgrades were overlooked because they are hard to notice. By following this CP checklist, we managed to raise our fleet power from 182 million to over 203 million CP. That's more than 21 million CP increase, just by completing things we overlooked. Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. In today's video, we're sharing the top 5 things you might have missed, the ones that could secretly be holding back your power. Behemoth. Getting an S-grade Kraken is essential because it can evolve the most times and provides the highest growth potential. You can slowly exchange its fragments for free from the Behemoth store. So, make sure to check that store weekly. But getting the Kraken isn't the end of the story. Evolution, level up, and talents upgrade are the next steps. Many players forget about talent upgrade because it is buried deep in the menu and easy to overlook. So, make it a habit to check your Behemoth talents frequently and use your resources whenever they are available. Check this video for detailed guide on Behemoth. Season Store. The Season Store is one of the best places to get rare items. For example, in the 6th Season X, we got 2 Ironblood ship parts completely free just from the Season Store. The currencies needed were earned through the daily task and season goal. However, every season is different. The items and exchange methods might change, so always check what your current season offers and grab the best items before it ends. Armor. Armor was introduced in July this year, and it's become a major game changer. If you haven't started working on your armor yet, you're probably falling behind other players. You can exchange armor fragments from the station store, which refreshes weekly. The currency used here is the station metal, and you can get it by donating gold to Station Tech. Each donation gives you 50 medals. If you want to speed things up, the weekly subscription is worth considering. For $5 per week, you'll get 1,200 medals daily, or 8,400 medals per week. For the detailed guide, please refer to this video. Did you know a bundle cost a lot more with digital tax depending on the country? For example, UK players would pay over $127 for a 10,000 Gleamstones bundle. With Lootify, you can get your first $100 bundle as low as $72. Yes, you hear me right. That's $72. And it gets even better. Inviting your friends with your custom Lootify link can earn you up to $20 per friend who bought a $100 in-game bundle with Lootify. With Lootify, you save on every bundle, avoid the heavy digital taxes, and earn even more through bonuses and invites. Click the link in the description and start saving today with Lootify. Lost City. Lost City is a boring place and many players might not pay attention to it. Other than the daily token collection, we must also buy all the items from the landscape store. The items are limited. If you didn't buy them, they will be reset next week. Landscape is essential in Sea of Conquest. It can be placed or upgraded in your Lost City, and they directly boost your fleet attributes. Each individual landscape might only give a small boost, but when you have dozens of them, the total stat is massive. You'll also get unique landscapes from events, which can be placed in your city for even more power. So, make sure to check the store weekly and upgrade your landscapes whenever possible. X rank. X heroes are becoming increasingly important in late games. Their X rank and awakening power give a huge number of stats, making them far stronger than the old heroes. When X heroes were first introduced, they were hard to enhance because resources were limited. But now, things have changed. You can earn upgrade materials like the core, tier, and Eye of Aqua Spirit from multiple sources, including the Star Wish store, season level rewards, Black Flag Beacon, and more. That means it's now much easier to strengthen your X heroes than before. And since they're newer and stronger by design, it's better to pick X heroes for your fleet. Work on your season tasks and goals to farm more resources and upgrade your X heroes. They can easily push your CP up by millions. Captain equipment can also increase your CP, but the free resources for it are still quite limited. That's why we didn't include it in this checklist, but it's something to keep an eye on for the future. Alright, it is the end of the sharing today. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.